le fofongo le aso. Tulona le susu o lau susunga i le taitai o le sauninga. Tulona le afio o lau afionga i le minista lango. O le ofisa o pulengo o tangata tafafau mai mua mai fafo. Tulona le afio o lau afionga i le pulisili o le Digisal Pacific. Tulona le saufa inga mamalu a le Ono Mea Productions. Whaapea tau salo le atunuu, Miss Samoa Lamanai. Tulona pa io Samoa wa poto. Tulona le afifio o whiangainga matama itai tau wā mo se tau sala o Samoa. Tulona ia, tulona lava. Malo le langi soifua, malo le pale. A o taliso le ia na whanua, mo le sa ilinga o se tau sala o Samoa luafe lua wha. O te manatu, walata le tau lau mea o sa tau tua, mo la o Samoa masalasi. Ai o le aunga o aute o le aso, o autou te maitai e 15 ua filifilia, a wā le sa ilinga o se tau sala o Samoa. Mai uina langona le whaanoa noa, ona o lea ua taulata, le taimi o te tuuina atu ai le pale. E le ngalo a fia isi ona wau, o le a o nofo ma le mama o alomi. Sau se taimi, ona whaile o a tātou tala tau mawai. Tā alofa lava, warmest Pacific greetings. Welcome to the very first day of your Miss Samoa Journey 2024. Big round of applause for our contestants. Tā alofa lava, malo le soifua Samoa o poto. Firstly, I would like to thank our Father in Heaven for this opportunity I have been given to be a part of this empowering platform, especially for us Samoan Tamaitai. It is with great honor and privilege to be a participant for the Miss Samoa pageant 2024. I would also like to thank our Miss Samoa Tausala Moimoana Safa Toshwenki for inspiring us and setting the bar and setting and raising the bar for us and creating the safe space for us all. Olo ingoa o so tuli au sanga pepe. E se fulu walu o tausanga. O te sao mai, wa e whai iwa savai, mai mangiangi. O loo langalanga ina malosi au i le Miss Samoa Queensland Incorporated. Wa ua le soitawa numera sufulu tasi. And my pre-pageant interview topic is knowledge management. Outside. Please welcoming contestant number 12.
Alofa lava Samoa. Tulo pa ia Samoa le ngawhatau le lima ina e le ufa atau waa ai tau ina o sawa i le wa ne isala le ngangana tulo. O au le tausala Samoa USA o lo ingoa Josephina whaatupu file mu lili e pua ku le kahi manolea na he nahe o na lani le alita whea. E lua se fulu tolu o tausanga o ainga e mai sala iloa ma salani ma malie. O au ole sui tau wā numera se fulu lua. My topic is alofa i la Samoa ma salasi. Yes. And my sponsor is Miss Samoa USA. See,
I'd like to now call on contestant number 13.
Eleleile tua, Taimi uma. Amen. Olona alofa lea malona ngalei ua tatou lia mai ai le nei aso. E paia wa awhia potapota mai lau sunga tai tau minga. Paapea le pulisili o le tatou masanga luenga Samoa Tourism. Jamie. Ia paapea fo'i ia paasalofa atu I wo maainga o uso a tau wā, o pisi Nisi company o lo langolangoina lo tātou wha moe moe. Ai mai se o le pisi Nisi o lo langolangoina lo nei tangata wha tau wā. Hidden thirder. Hidden thirder. O lo topic o le women in sports and o la o to suita wā no merisu tolu. Offside.
Warmly welcoming contestant number 14.
Tulona ia o pa ia mo mamalu Samoa. Ai o te le I whailoa tulo nei tangata whatau baa. O te pia whaafo ia tupo I vi inga mar whaftai to to maa whaalangi anga lofa mo nei awanoa whaawa ia te au. E a veia o masui o Aotearoa New Zealand. Kia ora, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou. Olo uingoa o Precious Miriama Tusenga, ua lua suluono nei o tausanga. Ma o te sau e o sio tina pele e sau mai whale atiu, ma le a ingo lo ta mai e sau mai tuanai. Ia, tatai. Ma o la ngona lava fia ma le anganga whaftai mo le awa noi whailoa tufo I lo contestant o a o contestant numera sufa, ma lo interview topic mo le pre-pageant. Our common future, with a statement here that says, a longo tai ua longo uta. Songo fia lava le nta upu, whaftai tele lava mo lo awa noa, whaftai.
Welcoming our final contestant, contestant number 15.
Ia, masalo yo vevela fala. Ia, mensa tolua pati malpo. Ia, moa. Tolu mai. Ia, ai o tele I tayaina o le monga loa ai moa lava ona o whatulo watu pa ia man mamalo Samoa. Tulo na lava. Ai o te whatalo whatu I le sorry to look. Yeah, o lo topic o filfilina o le sa ilinga matangi mo se manuia o Samoa. O lo ingoa o ala I malo Joanna Sulusi Vasa. O nuune o tina o salulunga ngatai pai ma fa ala I palauli. O nuune o tama o sa maunga ma asau. Ya atu fatasi I manuuna yo o ten savai. Yeah, Christine Santalo Falava Samoa. I am proud to be sponsored by Lavash Couture, and I will be your contestant number 15. And the topic is, let me just have a look at the topic. Labor mobility and economic growth. The role of labor mobility in advancing development and financial stability. O langlangoy na malo siya au ele Lavash Couture. Whaftai lava.
Ia se mai se paspatele ana mo tato suita va skulu lima. Ia ai mai se le fiongo foi a Kuatino o le Fatino ino le va ngo tato Polokalame. Ia o tai tonu e tau lava ona tato mata I le se siva tato suita va skulu lima. Tai ia tato tau sala Samoa tau sala Pasifika ma lo langi atoa. Sa uni mai e tato DJ ai mua. Ia ele mawhai au na tato, mawhai ona whai tato ngā luenga nei, ma tato Polokalame nei. E au noa ma le langlang o sua o tato sponsors ma alosi, e au le tuinga sponsor, o Digicel Samoa, the best network in Samoa and the whole wide world.
That has been ongoing for over 40 years, carried by Tamaitai who have built the platform with love. And now it has been the intangible but tangible platform that I have tried to guard and protect so that one of you may carry it forward. For me, this journey has been about putting myself last so that I can put the people first. This is a space for you young women to be seen, to be heard, and to contribute. My team, Samoa Tourism Authority, Onome Productions have worked tirelessly this past year to shift the focus of this pageant anything away from a beauty queen. Our pageant is not about external beauty. It is a regional and national platform to advance our country's priorities and highlight the crucial role that our women play in our country. Guided by our cultural knowledge, ele ole fale, a ole ano fale. True beauty is defined by your heart, your spirit, and your values. And may your ano fale be forever enriched by this journey. Alofa ilau Samoa Matalasi is the theme of our Miss Samoa pageant. Alofa ilau anganu'u, alofa ilau si'o manga, alofa iau tangata. It is about our culture, our environment, and our people. And I will find that it will be emotional along the journey because it is like giving away something that I and my team for the last year have grown and nurtured and protected. And every day was a chance to give and be there for whoever needed me. And I pray that the next Samoa, Miss Samoa, one of you sitting here today, will do the same and more. I hope that regardless of who wears the crown and title, you all continue the mission that you have learned on this journey. As it is said in Samoa, o te sau e soli le mulivai. Translated, it means, I come to retrace the footsteps. In the words of Tuiatua Tupuata Masese Taisi Efi, I come to retrace the footsteps, not for its own sake, nor simply to look, see, and fly a flag, but to bond with the culture, history, ambience, and everlasting soul of our people. I hope that you embrace every moment of these 2 weeks because the time will fly by. Cherish the friendships that you make with one another, and whatever the outcome, let this be a time of growth and learning. Take the good and the bad, learn from the lows, rise up and keep trying, even when it's hard. And when you need the guidance, go back to our Samoan culture, God, family, unity, humility, respect, love, and service. The sisters beside you, you will share a bond like no other. This hopefully will be a lifelong connection. So learn from one another, lean on each other, and support one another in years to come. And I am so happy to see the return of many of our Samoan diaspora from the USA, from Hawaii, from Australia, from New Zealand, and of course our Samoans here at home, including the Samoan District Pageant representative. All eyes in Samoa, and there's many eyes in the region, are on this pageant, so let's give our people a memorable experience. Whaftai for the leadership of the Samoan government, for Samoa Tourism Authority, Onome Productions family, the Miss Samoa alumni, our elders, Digicel, and all our partners who made this possible. We wish you all the very best. And remember, paatasi mai le ali'i, ia taf sila fa'ile la awa le tamaitai, ma uli masau le tātou whaamoemoe, ma fo'i pēr ia te ia le vi'inga. Okay, this now concludes the formalities of our events, and it's a time that we've been very excitedly anticipating, and it's the moment where our beautiful Miss Samoa 2024 contestants select their contestant numbers. But first, we would like to present you all with welcoming baskets sponsored by Evengi Pacific and Digicel Pacific.